Reports have emerged that new lithium reserves have been discovered in Rajasthan's Degana. Mining and Geological Survey of India or GSI authorities claim that the reserves are higher than that of the ones earlier discovered in Jammu and Kashmir. With the quantity of lithium, India can now meet around 80% of its total demand. Earlier in February, Ministry of Mines informed that approximately 5.9 million tons of lithium reserves were discovered in Jammu and Kashmir's Riyasi district. The Ministry of Mines had said, and I quote, Geological Survey of India for the first time established lithium inferred resources of 5.9 million tons in the Salal Haimana area of the Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir. Reports said that India's first large lithium discovery, with the sole other reserves being a minor 1600-ton deposit identified in Karnataka 2 years ago, meant that India now has the world's fifth largest lithium reserves, just ahead of the United States. Until now, the country had relied on Australia, Chile and Argentina for any lithium imports required for its manufacturing sector. But because refining lithium ore into a material that can be used to produce batteries is a difficult process, India will continue to rely on imports for at least a few years. Lithium is a non-ferrous metal. Discovered in 1817 by Johann August Arfvedson, it is one of the most in-demand minerals in the world. It is toxic in nature and reacts vigorously with water. Due to its growing importance, it has been dubbed white gold. It is a high-value commodity, and exploiting it is in tune with meeting the often talked about energy and climate crisis. It is a rare element, but lithium is not to be confused with rare earth elements, which also are increasingly growing in demands due to their wide usage in a lot of sectors. In the periodic table, the rare earth metals comprise of 17 metals that belong to the lanthanide series. Used in smartphones, mobile chargers, laptops, pacemakers, toys and clocks, lithium is also an important component in electronic vehicle batteries.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.